like that. Go. That's awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Chase, look at these. See those two?
Yeah.
They're fighting.
Whoa!
Trying to say who's the bigger male, the more dominant one.
Come on.
But they're fighting in the road.
Oh, yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
What?
Look at them.
Look at them fight. That's how they fight. They hit their horns together. That's pretty neat. People don't normally get to see this.
No.
Look at this guy's going, hey, what's going on?
I got
We're trying to get food.
How about you guys go over there and I give them a little food?
No.
Why?
Well, because we're going to wait and
See what?
Oh, you missed it, little one.
they're really getting really close to us.
That's awesome, though.
Oh, they're snorting.
Car.
Oh my gosh. Now, Chase, get your head in the window.
Whoa.